Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can create trapdoors, how you can use them, and a lot of other information about them. So let's go ahead and open Minecraft. For me, I'm using the 1.19.3 version. You can use still any other version of Minecraft. Let's go ahead and open our world. Let's go first to our single player world. So I will show you how am I using these trapdoors in my world of Minecraft. Basically, I just started this one, so I don't have any like advanced trapdoors uses in here, but I have one which is the most common one, which is oh, there is a cat in there. Whoa, all right, nice. I must keep this one. So how am I using my trapdoor? Basically, I'm using it as a platform to jump on. As you see here, I made a villager breeding system, which is really basic, which is like just like some beds and giving villagers some food, and they do the job for me. Basically, to jump out of this area, I'm using trapdoors that will make me jump over without letting the villagers following me. And yeah, that's one of the uses for the trapdoors. You can also use them as a door, so something like that. You can stop people from going inside. You can use them as like I don't know, there's multiple uses for them. You can use them as a decoration like this one in here. There is other uses for these trapdoors, like you can make traps using them as well. So it's trapdoors for traps. As you can see, here is decoration, here's some windows and a lot of stuff like that. So how you can actually make trapdoors, of course there is not only this type of trapdoors, there is any kind of trapdoor. Like any wood in the game has its own looking trapdoor. So how you can do it, you can just go to your crafting table, get your planks and make them something like that. So 3 here, and you will get the trapdoor that you are willing to have in any kind of wood in this Minecraft. So thank you guys for watching, and that was it with today's tutorial. Bye bye.